Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today will be March smoke and carbon monoxide alarm test. We're doing it a little late this month. You can probably guess why if you were looking at the community posts, and it was not just being a little sick. I'm not going to be posting a video about that this time because of everything. I had to take it down last time, but anyway, we're going to do it while we're dealing with what I just showed you. Which is why my voice may sound a little bit off today, but I was well enough to do the test, and I figure my parents have it as well, so I figure we don't have to hide in a room, so we'll all do it. So my mom is going to be home for this. If we can't do the walk around, we'll use the same results for next month, I promise. So if my mom stops me from doing the walk around this month, we will take the same results. We won't do a vote this month, and we'll do the same results for next month, but that's only if we can't do it this month. Speaking of that, I printed out a sheet of the results for my class, and I ended up having to keep it here instead because well, it's right there. But spare room is actually the first time to be on the thing, but on topic. Hallway downstairs has one. You may think we just done that, but yeah, it reset in January, so I'm not gonna argue. We're gonna do it again. And we have hallway downstairs is number 1 with 14 votes. Spare bedroom is number 2 with a total of 10 votes. Mom and Dad's bedroom is number 3 with a total of 9 votes. That's really good for number 3. I'm like on this channel though, but I'm gonna go plug this in, and I'm gonna put this up later. You notice I have labels, so I'll leave the labels right here on the screen though. But anyway, let's get started. And I'm gonna use this walkie, and I'm gonna plug this in now, so that way we can get started. First, before we could get started, I just realized I left the pole in my bathroom. I may as well show you, because I don't have much content for this video. May as well show you everything I do. As now. Okay, your smoke alarm, your reckoning has finally came. It's raining today. Let's go upstairs. This will be smoke alarm in the office. Just say no, respond next time, please. That was the hallway upstairs. We're about to do my room now. You can probably hear music playing in the other room. We have an Amazon assistant that goes crazy in there. We're gonna do the one in Mom and Dad's bedroom to get it over with. You can probably hear the music. This will be the smoke alarm in your bedroom. Stop playing. I can't remember which one we did previously. I knew it was this room that we did. I can't remember which one we did. I think we did my room because the door's open. And this one isn't. This door wasn't open. This is the one that almost won this month. Oh, geez. I think we're going to start a new system. like the third place one, whichever one is in third place is gonna get done in order, and I think we already did that. It just happened to be random, I believe, because Mom and Dad's bedroom was in third place. Now we're doing the spare room, and that's in second place. So I'll make sure to keep that in mind for next month. I think that was it. It's not letting me press it. Wobbly hands. Is there something wrong with the smoke alarm? Because I can absolutely replace it. Okay, Dad, it's good. We're ready for the walk around. Okay, Dad. Okay, I just told my dad to go in the kitchen. Okay, I'm just gonna stand here and wait. Okay, Dad, you can go. Okay, Dad, you can go.
Over.
Okay, that one's good. Okay, that one's good. Okay, that one's good. Okay, that one's good.
I thought this one was very odd when it came on, so I said that I guaranteed.
That one's good. Okay, and that one's good. Okay, Dad, you can let go.
Anything explanation. I actually think I have that.
By the way, I think the one downstairs worked because I just realized I forgot to test that one manually, but I think it worked. Okay, guys, now we're going to do the carbon monoxide alarms. Okay. Anyway, guys, that was all for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Any comments or questions, make sure you leave those down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, folks. Thank you for watching. How does my shirt look? Let me know in the comments. Man, I just forgot to record myself talking about the test results. Must be really tired. Anyway, the results of this test were really successful, and you get to see me put this back on the base. Thanks for watching.